other buses on MBTA shuttle 322. Hey, that's a 2023 model, some shit. Jet Set, Orlando, Florida, 172. Thank you. Thank you. Fastest charter from Orlando, Florida. That's the J4500. That's awesome. Orlando. Man, that van Hool's over there look nice. Miami, Kiss Me. Everything's nice over there. Now that's a CX45 right here. Where is this company from? I think this is another Florida company helping out with the shuttle too. Let's see on the side, what does it say? The Fabulous Bus and Tours Inc. 5734L. A Yankee. Whole bunch of companies. So the companies I know for sure off the top of my head helping out with the shuttle is Yankee Bus Lines, DATCO, Flagship Trailways and DATCO, they're under the same umbrella, so it's the same company, just different names. Masters Charter, Jets, Set Bus, BRS Transportation, Collins Bus Service, Post Road Stages. Those two companies, it's the same company, different names. Got a couple of MBTA buses helping out. King Gray Bus Lines. King Gray, formerly King Ward. It's a hell of a lot of companies. Ash Limousine from Houston, Texas, helping out. Got Gray Line, Tennessee. Hell of a lot of companies helping out. Pretty awesome. X Connections Bus, Orlando, Florida. They got everybody looking at helping hand out during the shuttle. Another one of the Red Line shuttle buses from the shutdown that's going on. It ends on November 24th. You see right there? That's the Van Hool CX45 from Empire Coach Lines. They're from Orange County, Orlando, Florida. Out here. That's pretty cool. Empire Coast Lines, Mears Transportation, same company, just different names. Then they got some of the Yankee buses up here. That one, 327. That's a Mercedes tourrider. You could they have the business class and the premium. You could tell the difference between the two. The business class one, like if you go in it and then you look at the ceiling, the window, like it's clear, like you could see it, but that's basically how to explain it. Then that's the J4500 behind it from Yankee. That one I believe is that's gotta be a 2024 model. No, that's 206, no, that's a 20, I think that's a 2020 actually. Either way, it's clean though, look nice. That's pretty cool. Pretty darn cool. That's another Empire Coach Line bus, 175. So the companies that are helping out, you got Post Road Stages, just off the top of my head. Post Road Stages, Collins Bus Service. Those two are the same company, different names. Empire Coach Line, New Travel, BRS Transportation, King Gray, Ash Limousine from Houston, Texas, helping out. This New Travel, their Van Hool's 1007. That's another one of their Van Hools right there. And other than that, you got Masters Charter, MCA Transportation, got MBTA buses helping out. They got every single company helping out. All sorts of companies helping out with this shuttle. That's pretty cool. The Lemoyne Valley Transportation, Morrisville, Vermont. They're also helping out. Joseph's Limousine from Medford also helping out. Just a whole bunch of buses. You got MCI's, Prevost, Van Hool's, Gray Line to Tennessee helping out as well. It's pretty cool.